welcome to Aspen Cooking, my friends. It's November outside, and yes, we're making ice cream. This ice cream is going to be no churn and it's going to be delicious. Let's get cooking, shall we? And we will be making it with these fruits. We're going to have pineapple, we're going to have jalapeno, we're going to have grapefruit, and we're going to have an IPA beer. It's going to be crazy good. Look at that. So, if you're in the mood for something like that, please follow the recipe and enjoy. Let's go ahead and get our pineapple ready. Well, you can use canned, but if you have an opportunity to use fresh, use fresh. Always turns out to be better. We're only going to cut it to make it easier on our blender to mush the fruit together. We're going to need about 2 cups of pineapple. I don't know, medium to small size pineapple will be just fine for this. Transfer everything over to our container. Use both hands to make it faster. Maybe even a knife. Just like that, of course. We're using half of the jalapeno, or about a tablespoon worth. I'm gonna get rid of all of the seeds. I'm going to use about a tablespoon or so of lemon juice. Booyah! Just like so. And I want to do a quick add of another citrus. I'm going to use some grapefruit, because why not, right? A homemade ice cream, always better than grocery store bought, especially from fresh ingredients. Come on, who can beat that? Boom, just like that. Remove any visible seeds, like this guy right here. I'm gonna want it. Guys, we're filming from Colorado, Oscar Blues IPA. Say hello. A fresh can, about half a can goes into our fruity mixture right here. You guys ready? And this guy is what? Citrus India Pale Ale by Oscar Blues. Let's go ahead and pour in about half a can in here. Ooh. Yeah, a beer ice cream. Yep, perfect. Alright, so once we're well blended and pulverized, give it a taste. Perfect. A little bit of that picante from our jalapeno. Okay, now we're gonna put it in our strainer bag. Oh no! Abort! Abort! Mission abort! We're going to try to strain it. I think I already messed it up. But here's what we are looking to extract. Are you guys seeing this? All of this goodness. Yep. Just go slow. No need to rush like I did. Guys, the aroma of this whole thing is amazing. This is like manly beer right now, like adult beer, adult ice cream. Holy moly, I'm losing my tongue in here. Adult smelling aroma of beer, jalapeno, pineapple, OMG. If I would have had some cotton gauze, probably would have worked a little bit better. But you would have ended up with more chunks, and we don't want chunks. Guys, here's what we have after straining it. We have a total of 3 cups of liquid, and that's what we're going with. Let's move on to the next step. What I have here is 2 whole eggs and 2 egg yolks together. I'm going to add them to our mixing cup. I have 2 types of sugar. I have white sugar and a brown sugar mixed together, about 200 grams or so. I'm going to go ahead and add that. Of course, yes, let's make a mess. Woo! Be filming me cleaning up.
Look at that. He's making me cry.
Padal bio, вот так. I'm going to start off by just mushing it together and then give it a quick whisk. Hopefully, yes. Woo! Off we go. Whisk it on low. Guys, have I mentioned this is going to be a no turn, no machine used method? Yeah, you know why? Because I just realized I don't have an ice cream maker, right? So I'm gonna have to improvise. Let's see what happens. Because I'm gonna transfer it all in one pot for a final run. And we're going to start taking care of our final ingredients. So here's all of our fresh juices. Here's our brown sugar and egg mixture. Yep. Aha, look at the design. Pours in nicely. We need to preheat some stuff in here. I have half a cup of cream. And I have 1 1/3 cup of milk. Guys, I apologize, I said it backwards. We have half a cup of milk and 1 1/3 cup of cream. Thank God for helpers. We're going to heat it up and we're going to start getting it reduced and thickened. But we don't want it too thick nor too hot. I want to use this whisk, shall we? Yeah, I think it will be okay. I don't know, if not, well, forgive me. I don't want to go get another one. Keep on mixing. It should heat up rather fast. Alright, now we're gonna flip-flop. We're gonna put a big pot on. This guy is almost simmering. I'm gonna put this baby in slowly. Just pour it in, like so. Wonderful. Put it away. And here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna try to mix it nicely in here. Maybe give it a couple of turns. Hopefully this thing doesn't explode in my face. But we want to bring it to close to simmer and let it go for about 3 minutes or so. Oh, please don't explode into my face. Okay, cool. It did, almost does. I just want to mix it in. Just like that. Okay, I'm not gonna do it anymore. Well, we're almost done. We're gonna cool off the pot a little bit. Just bring the temperature down enough where we can pour it into our plastic airtight containers, and we're going to put it into the freezer for about 3 hours. And it's going to come out wonderful. After ice bath is over, in the containers it goes. Oh yeah. Oh, we might even be able to get away with just one. Oh, look at that, perfect. Man, it's gonna be a big tub of ice cream. Yeah. A few hours in the fridge. No, I'm lying. It actually took about 24 hours for it to properly set. Here's what we have as a result. This ice cream turned out great. The taste, super interesting. So you have a little bit of spice from jalapeno. You can definitely tell there is some of that in there. There is IPA. Yes, you can taste IPA as well. Overall, ice cream turned out to be great texture. Oh man, I just love it. It's like the most easiest and simplest recipes to make. So if you're in the mood for something like that, please follow the recipe and enjoy. Filming. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and we'll see you with more videos. Guys, I love this ice cream. I hope you will as well. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.